You're a long way from home. This is Brazil.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm back, and I'm back to do a maintenance vlog for my trip that I'm heading on. As you guys can see, I look crazy. My eyebrows, I actually just got them done, and I'm currently doing a hair mask. I'm getting my hair done, and I have no nails on. There's a lot going on. I have no nails on. I haven't had nails in about a month. I took a little break. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I've enjoyed every single minute of that break. I miss being able to just have free will with my hands and do whatever I need to do without thinking about, oh, I can't break my acrylic, oh, this is gonna mess up my acrylic, like, you know what I mean? So it's been real fun, but I do miss my nails, so I'm really excited to get those back. But anyways, yes y'all, we're going on another trip, and this is the maintenance part for this trip. I'm really excited, and I'm currently packing. I have a day until my trip, and y'all are probably like, a day? Yes, I have a day to do my hair and my nails. I already got my toes. I got my eyebrows done. I got my wax. Tomorrow is my pedicure appointment and my hand appointment, manicure appointment, and then Wednesday I leave. I fly out, and my hair appointment is Wednesday morning. So I'm really playing with myself here, but we weren't supposed to leave on Wednesday. That was actually a change in the flight, but I already booked this hair appointment. Can't change it, so I have a lot of faith in God, so everything will be cool. Please do not mind whatever things you see in the background. My room is literally in shambles right now. I'm currently packing. This is what I have going on. That's my checked bag, and this is going to be my carry-on. My bed is absolutely destroyed. I have stuff over there, and I'm just trying to get everything situated because after I get my nails done, I'm not packing. So I want everything packed clothes wise. My carry-on I can throw together, but I want everything in my carry-on in as well. I only have like 1 or 2 products that I need to go in my bag that I use up until my flight, so it's literally 2 products, which is fine, but I want everything in the bag so I don't have to take anything out and change anything. I did all my errands today, and this past weekend I've just been on go mode. So it's about to be 8 o'clock. I need to rinse this out, wash, blow dry my hair, and then finish packing. But I'm gonna finish packing, then wash my hair, and then blow dry my hair because I want to be well rested. The Love Island reunion is on tonight, and I gotta watch it. So it's a lot going on. I got a pimple here. I put this pimple patch on. I got a pimple here, so I need to also do a face mask. So once I put my deep conditioner in my hair, I'm gonna put a face mask on and then hope for the best. But I know my skin's gonna clear no matter what, so I'm not concerned. Yeah, let me finish packing because I want to be done by like 8:30, and it's 8:04, so I need to hurry up, and I don't want to rush. I want to make sure I'm thoroughly packed, and yeah. So I'll see you guys when I'm done packing.
Towards you about moving on with Pepe.
So here's my checked bag. It's fully packed. I am tired. And this is my carry-on. It's not done packed. I still have all of this to put in there, and that's about it. But currently have the deep conditioner in my head. I'm watching the Love Island reunion. I'm pooped, and I still need to pick a design for my nail appointment tomorrow. So
Hannah, what's making you emotional?
yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm tired. Hi y'all. I think I'm zooming in. Ooh, no. Hi y'all. I completely neglected this vlog. I mean, I talked to you guys last night. Basically, my nail appointment this morning, I completely neglected you guys on. I charged both my batteries. They were in the battery pack together. One, I guess they did not charge. I guess it wasn't plugged in all the way, so my camera was dead. But that's on me for not looking. So when I woke up this morning, ready to grab my camera dead. Battery's dead. And I'm like, what? That makes no sense. Both of them did not charge. So I left you guys here. I also didn't even vlog on my phone really because long story short, me and my nail tech are going on vacation at the same time. So the nail tech that I've been going to for literally 5, 6, 7 years was not available today, and I found out 2 days ago. So I was low-key crashing out because they put me with someone else I've never been before. If y'all know me, y'all know I don't play about my nails. So I was already on edge about this nail appointment because if my nails don't look good, then I'm not going to be in a good mood. So I don't think she did terrible, but she's not my nail tech. You know what I mean? Like, there's some flaws in there that I can see, and I know when I go get my fill done, my nail tech's gonna be like, oh yeah, and I'm gonna be like, yeah. But I needed to get my nails done. Like, if I had to rate it, I would give her like a 7.5 out of 10. It's just like little things that I feel like she missed that she could have done better on, but nonetheless, they're still cute. Like, the design and all, they're still cute. I just, whatever. So I'm trying to just like let that part go. But I didn't even vlog for my TikTok, and if you're from TikTok, you know every time I get my nails done, I post a nail vlog. Y'all and I getting one, because for one, that's cheating on my nail tech. I'm not really cheating on her, but like, I'm not. If this girl ate my nails down bad, then I would have posted a TikTok, but she didn't eat them down bad. She ate, but she didn't eat them down. Like, they're still cute. They'll do. So I was already on edge about that appointment, so I was looking at her like the entire time, like, you know. Anyways, I also just got my toes done. I mean, there's nothing to vlog there. I did vlog like my toes in the water, but yes, they're done. They're back to white. They were pink before. I don't think I didn't have my nails done, so I decided to get pink on my toes because I didn't have to match them with anything. Fast forward now, it's currently, what time? 4:41. My pedicure appointment was at 3. I literally just got home literally like 2 minutes ago. And now what I'm about to do is finalize my luggage. Like, my check bag is done, but I had to pick up a few things to put in my bag, and now I'm done. So everything's pretty much packed. I'm just gonna clean my room because I don't like leaving with a dirty room, not like I would ever anyways. My hair appointment is early in the morning, so tomorrow when I leave for that hair appointment, I'm just gonna throw on whatever I have, and then I'm hoping and praying that it doesn't take as long as she has it marked on her website, because my head is really small, and every time I get my hair professionally done, whatever time they have allotted for me, it's usually never that long because my head is so small. So I'm praying it only takes her 5 hours and not the 6, maybe even 4. That would be great. When I come home, all my stuff will be lined up. I'm just gonna come home, like, wash my face and change my clothes, and then I'm gonna head to the airport. So tomorrow's pretty busy. My flight leaves out at 6 p.m. So there's that. So I'm scratching this whole maintenance vlog. This is just going to be a part of the whole vlog because I didn't really vlog any type of maintenance. That would be long enough for a vlog, so I'm just gonna go straight into it. So this is the pre-part of the vlog, and then y'all are just gonna get the full-on vlog. So this vlog might be really long. Yeah, so I'm about to finish packing, and then yeah, my skin is super oily and greased up because Y'all remember those 2 pimples I had last night? And this one? Well, this one's basically gone, and those ones are non-existent because I doused my face in oil. I literally did a face mask, I did a face scrub, and then I put my healing ointment on. And I also think when you get your eyebrows done, it just clears your face. That's what happened. So yeah, I need to change my earrings, these ones, because I want to change them. They're not going to look any different. They're going to be the same type of studs. But my vanity needs to be cleaned up like immediately. Like my vanity looks like someone threw up on it. So that's what I'm trying to do. What else do I have to say? I don't have anything else to do tonight. While I'm finishing packing, I'm just going to go over my checklist, make sure I'm not missing anything. So if I am missing something, I can go grab that tonight because this is all I got. But yeah, y'all. We're going to, I mean, I guess I could tell you guys where I'm going. We're going to Brazil. We are going to Brazil. Yeah, y'all, we're going to Brazil. I'm super excited. Yeah, so that's enough of me rambling because I feel like I've just been rambling this vlog. Let me finish packing and I'll come back to you guys. I don't know what I'm going to talk about, but I'll come back to you guys. So, yeah. Hi guys. Oh, it's my birthday. Okay, we're on the flight. Y'all, I haven't vlogged since this morning. But yeah, we finally made it. One of many flights I'm not happy about. Kara. Oh my god.
Gonna be twins. Listen, I think that having a bonnet on in the airport's ghetto, but when I get on the plane, I'm gonna put my bonnet on.
I don't give a damn. The airport is dirty. This is my dirty bonnet for today. This is staying on my head till we get to our destination.
I just washed it. It smells so good.
Like I'm not putting my hair on these seats. This is dirty. Yeah, but y'all like my outfit? It's from Gap. It's a matching set. Kiara says I look like Pepto-Bismol, but this is darker than Pepto-Bismol, I think. But it's cute. I never wore it and it was sitting in my closet, so I said why not. But yeah, y'all, I can't wait to show you guys my hair. It's so freaking cute. So cute. But yeah, y'all, first flight of
Rio, here we go.
First flight of like what, 2?
Our boarding door is now closed. You may continue to use mobile devices as long as...
Y'all, we have a middle seat and no one's sitting there, so we have this whole empty spot to ourselves. I'm so happy.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me, I be a doctor. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guy is out. I'm a mind that's super top. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba Praia, my ayo, don't cry yo. Holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba Praia, my ayo, don't cry yo. For you, and if I do anything you want me to do, somebody get you, from a white dog, then this suit. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. We don't cast, last night, now everybody go to breakfast, have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo, don't cry yo, I need you go and shadow.
now, y'all. Pineapple. I wanted strawberry, but he said he's out. Here, I got a lemon one. What do you taste like? Is it good? Sure, okay. It's strong. Let's see how much alcohol he put in the banana. I am blocking off my phone. We were walking like the strip where the beach is, and we got sorry for the cleavage. We have some drinks. Y'all, I am lit. I am lit bad. I mean like cross-eyed. Lit. So we're just getting some pizza. Okay. We're just getting some pizza because that's what we're both craving.
Let me call my sister.
Yeah. I like that here, y'all. It's big and I'm not used to it, but I actually kind of like it. So yeah, I'll show you guys our pizza when it gets here because I can't eat it.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
So why did they call you Murder Jack?
Well, it's because I don't miss.
Murder, murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year I can't hear.
She just wanna come around and smoke and win some movie and she know they co-star. I'm a bad gun, gonna they come far.
What is the reason you do not have your own place of mind? Are you happy for now? Are you doing this thing to survive? Are you taking the pictures of every memories of your life? What's the reason why we're still out here?
Signs of my baby, the best version of me. Signs of me, signs of me, signs of my baby, the best version of me. Signs of me, signs of me.
I need that show, oh no, oh. Up in my yard while you roll. If me not talk, then I play nice, oh. If she can't follow person, oh. Oh, nah. If you let a man come close, one time. If you want drag your own quota. If you let a man come close, one time. If you want drag your own quota. If you let a rubber band low and quanta, it's gonna come back to hurt ya. If you let a man come close, one time. If you want drag your own.
Come on,
mo ṣe ń jó rọra wò mí o. Straightforward, I'm not con you. Fún wọn ní jó bí ti sàn ní o, sàn ní o. Adé o, dédédédé mo tún gbé dé o. Ọmọ tó ń sọ rọra pẹ̀lẹ́. I'm so high, you can tell o, can tell o. Wò mí o, wò mí. Bí mo ṣe ń jó rọra wò mí o. Straightforward, I'm not con you. Fún wọn ní jó bí ti sàn ní o, sàn ní o. Adé o, dédédédé mo tún gbé dé o. Ọmọ tó ń sọ rọra pẹ̀lẹ́. I'm so high, you can tell o, can tell o. One down on, yeah. Me and they fight for number one. Pay me my money one by one. Fuck them up with tonight, but do another one. Me see Wally one down on. Me and they fight for number one. Pay me my money one by one. Fuck them up with tonight, but do another one. Bí mo ṣe ń jó rọra wò mí o.
Hi guys, we're back in the room. We actually just got ready. We're going to the beach, which is right across the street from where we're staying. I'm not taking you guys with me because I'm scared they're gonna snatch you. But this is my outfit. This is the bathing suit that I brought here. Some Zara shorts. I'm wearing these slides. Yeah, and I put this flower clip on my hair. I think it's cute, so I'm gonna leave it in there. But yeah, that's the outfit, and I'll see you guys on my phone. The waves are insane. Like literally scary.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. So make I come check you, my baby. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. We bring girls to his location. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. So make I come check you, my baby. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. We bring girls to his location. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.
Hi guys. We just came back from the beach. It was cool, but it was fucking annoying because, oh, I don't want to swear. It was annoying because literally every 10-15 seconds there's like a vendor of some sort coming to you to sell something. And we bought drinks which we thought would have alcohol. It don't have a lick of alcohol. It literally just tastes like juice. They're good though. It's not like it's nasty. It just has no alcohol in it. And then we bought shrimp. Disgusting. I think it's because they're out there all day and the shrimp sitting out in that weather, so it was nasty. But that's that. I was on edge the entire time I was there because they tell you when you come to Brazil people snatch things, so I'm like holding onto my bag for dear life, and I'm like looking left and right every 30 seconds to make sure nobody's coming next to me. On top of the vendors that will not leave us alone. Literally, Kiara was talking to this guy for a good like 15 minutes because
it was longer than that.
Because he just kept asking her questions, and I'm like looking at him, and he could see I was annoyed because he asked her, why don't I want to talk to him? Well, I told him I'm trying to relax. So I even got Google Translate on my phone, and I literally said to him, we are not interested in your skirt. We just want to relax on the beach. Thank you and have a good day. And this nigga still sat there for another 5 minutes talking to Kiara. Well, Kiara was lying out her ass, so you know he caught her up on her lie real quick. But yeah, so
we're gonna take a nap.
we're literally, I'm sleepy. I just want to relax. Like, I truly just want to sleep. So that's what we're about to do. Yeah, I'm really tired. This bathing suit is cute though. Yeah, y'all. We also ate earlier. I did show you guys. The food was really good. Like, really good. It was filling as well. We didn't even finish everything, but I want to take a good nap, like a good solid 30 to an hour minutes of a nap, and then I'll come back. I don't know what we're doing later. Hopefully get a dinner, doing something. I don't know what she means by that. Yeah. Yo, I bought all this makeup here. I don't even think I'm really gonna ever do my makeup.
Like,
because the girls here do not wear makeup, and I feel like if you put makeup on, you're gonna look crazy. Like, I haven't seen a single person here wear makeup. The most I've seen were lashes, literally. But I mean, we're here. We want to take pictures. I mean, I bought all this stuff here, so I still want to do that. But like, I don't want to make it look like, you know. I feel like heels is a dead. I don't know. Have you seen anyone with heels?
We're wearing heels this trip.
Like, I don't think I've seen anyone with heels. These outfits need heels.
We brought.
I think I'm gonna put the heels on for the pictures, and then when we go out, like, I'll just take them off. But I haven't seen anybody in heels or nothing. But we haven't been to any of those parts either. We've been more on like the
hotel area.
Yeah. So I'm like tapping my head. I'm sorry. Yeah. So we're gonna do that. And I'll see you guys whenever that is. Y'all should be proud of me. I've been vlogging like really good. Like, this vlog's probably gonna be pretty long. That's how good I've been vlogging. That's enough of me talking. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys. We just woke up from a nap. The nap was well needed. I feel so much better already, like well rested. And we're about to go out to eat. It's currently 6:29, so we're aiming to leave around like 8 probably, to go to this restaurant called Boteco Belmonte. It's really like 10 minutes down the street. So it's freezing in here. We literally have to turn the AC off. It's like blasting. So we're about to get ready. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I don't know if I'm wearing makeup. Maybe not. I don't know. But I'm just here to update you guys on the plans. So I'm gonna start to get myself ready, and then, sorry, I'm shivering. And then I'll come back and get you guys, and you guys come with me. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Ooh, let me go. All right, y'all. I just got ready for dinner. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. It's very, let me show you. So, don't mind the background. This is the outfit. This skirt is from, I want to say Shein, but I don't know. I think it is. I know the top is from White Box. And then my heels are Fashion Nova. And then I have this bag from Pretty Little Thing. Cute. And I put this little flower in my hair from Amazon. And then I have on this bangle as well from Amazon. And then my everyday life jewelry. So this is the fit. We're just gonna go take pictures in it, and I'm not wearing heels because they don't wear heels here. Like, we look overdressed already. But yeah. That's the fit. Oh, period. Thank you. Wow, we made it to dinner. We're on the rooftop. We made it to dinner. We're on the rooftop. You can actually see the ocean. You can't hear me, I'm sorry. There's the ocean. They just brought us some drinks. Espresso martini.
never really lonely because there will always be a white person all up in your business.
She's trying to get me drunk so bad. They're living. Who? No, seriously. We can't do shit like this without a man. I'm sorry. We're so... I can't even talk. Y'all trying to get me lit like so bad. You have no idea. We had these shots. They're so good. We had to get them to the actual drink. Yeah, that is. Oh, it's crazy. So good. But I'll come back when we get our... We are in the Uber. We just finished eating. We're tipsy. We're about to head to Lapa, which is like a strip. There's like a lot of like nightclubs and all that. It's currently 11:28. We are in the Uber heading there now. It's about a 20-minute drive. Hopefully I'll sober up in this car ride because it's getting a little crazy. They drive insane here, y'all. Like there's no type of like decorum when it comes to driving. They just fly. I mean, like it's kind of scary. It's weird, but yeah, I thought New York was bad. They have nothing on Brazil. But anyways, yeah, we're driving there now. The food was good. The vibes was good. Have anything to say? She's like so annoying with this phone. She's like super tunnel vision. She has nothing. Yeah. We are back in the hotel. We're about to go to sleep, so I have nothing else to say. Yeah. I have nothing else to say. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's the next day. It is currently 7:46. We're about to go get breakfast. Yesterday we had it brought up to us, but today we're gonna go down to get it. Yeah, I'm not drinking alcohol anymore. I look crazy.
That's the best one I've had. If you like banana pudding, do you like banana pudding?
I do.
They put actual banana pudding in the matcha, so you can drink it and eat it.
That's crazy.
Good.
All right, y'all, we is dressed and ready to go. We're heading to Christ the Redeemer, and later we'll be going to Sugarloaf Mountain for the sunset. I don't know what we're doing in between. We're coming back here.
Yeah.
This is the outfit. It's this two-piece set. The boobs are serious. I can't help it. This set is from Princess Polly. I have my Kurt Geiger silver bag, and then these are my Steve Madden sandals. I wore these last night too. They're very comfortable. Don't wear pretty shoes here because every time it looks like my sandals are literally ripping as I'm walking here. So I'm happy they're not like shoes I care about because I can just throw them away and get another pair. So most of the sandals I brought were Steve Madden, literally that one too. But yeah, this is the outfit. Cutesy cutesy. And I'm taking you guys with me. So yeah, let's go. We are en route. Why does this keep doing that? We are en route to Christ the Redeemer. We're currently in the Uber. I don't know if it's hot or cold. Like, we brought sweaters because it said it was gonna rain a little, but now it's hot. So I'm a little confusion.
Running on my day, then no fit touch my energy. When it comes to class, I be teacher. Drop this life, make it no job, you my nigga. If I no get money, not disability. I have $1 million when I smile for the picture. That's why I don't put no eyes in my liquor. My last hour, daddy for one power. I got the power. My updates go to power. Want it, one power. Take them to the cow. My love power. I'm about to sue up for a shower.
O trem efetuará eventuais paradas. Aproveite sua viagem. Em breve você estará aos pés do Cristo Redentor.
Exposure down. Okay, y'all. We are walking up the steps. It's a lot. It's a lot. We put our sweaters on because it's actually cold. Oh my gosh, you can see it already. Oh my god. My ears are popping. You can't even see it. Muke. I can't. Guys, it's so foggy. You can't see it. It's literally huge. Okay, y'all. We're here, but it's literally too foggy. You can't see. Can't even see the view. So here's that. I don't know if that's any better, but that's what we got. Oh.
They're all fruity.
You said fruity.
I said sweet.
Well, that's sweet.
I don't like that's.
We're in the mall, y'all. We mainly came here to go to Pandora because we want to get a charm for our charm bracelet. Kiara's smelling perfumes because she wants some fragrance here.
A praia de Botafogo, Beach of Botafogo, Favela e Guaraná.
So there's no flag?
No.
No flag? Okay.
I got the HAVAIANAS.
The HAVAIANAS is so cute. Because it has the colors. I'm sorry.
Deep in the damn thing. Hi guys. We're in the Uber again. We're heading to Sugarloaf Mountain. I'm tired. I'd like to take a nap, but the weather is just so depressing. It was raining earlier. It said it was supposed to become sunny, but the sun is nowhere to be found. So hopefully it does come out, because that would be unfortunate.
Why you tell another person waiting? I tell you, I always like to say the truth and shame the devil. I know the fall that can level, cause I no get time for the people wait to the Uru Balenu. Me stand up for nothing, I know they hear you. 100,000 people when I pull up for the venue. Why you busy? I still they also well. Why not get money like it to me and melu? So penny, you get me long go. So when we do the money, we do draw bundle by bundle. So penny, you get me long go. So when we do the money, we do draw bundle by bundle. So penny, you get me long go. So when we do the money, we do draw bundle by bundle. So penny, you get me long go. So when we do the money, we do draw bundle by bundle. Tuesday, Wednesday, as long as I jala, and they call me the Godfather. Move like an Italian.
Hey y'all, we're in. My hair is huge lots of the time. These are products that are only in Brazil, so we have to get something. Oh, I love that. That is you coated. That smells like. Get away from me. Oh,
that smells like Josie Maran a little bit, just a little bit. Let me smell it again.
I like that.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. That is really good. Combien cob? $100?
She asked if she can help me.
This one's good too. You didn't like this one?
No, I don't like any of them. I'm like,
I like vanilla, but yes. I like a dash of fruit in it though. This is pomegranate. This is the one I want to see. This one. It's so pretty in here. I think I might have to get this. Smells like papaya.
Running on my day, then no fit touch my energy. When it comes to class, I be teacher. Drop this life, make it no job, you my nigga. If I no get money, not disability. $5 million when I smile for the picture. That's why I don't put no eyes in my liquor. My last hour, daddy for one power. I got the power. My updates go to power. Want it, one power. Take them to the cow. My love power. I'm a budget to walk to a shower. Why you tell another person waiting? I tell you, I always like to say the truth and shame the devil. I know the fall that can level, cause I don't get time for the people wait to the Uru Bolenu. Me stand up for nothing, I know they hear you. 100,000 people when I pull up for the venue. Why you busy? I still they also well.
I just want to be your man, girl. So, gotta make you understand, girl.
It's the way you give your hand and your stylish clothes you wear. When you walk into the room, all my partners stop and stare at you. But they just wanna push you up. It's the tattoo on your back and that brand new Louis bag. Get the match your high heels. I can't help this girl is swag's the truth.
Alright y'all, I didn't really vlog much for dinner, but I'm a little lit, just a little, not too much. I just feel good. I would like to go.
Guys, my birthday is coming in about 51 minutes. I'll be 26 years old. I can't believe it. It's so unreal. And I'm here celebrating with one of my closest friends. She's not my friend. I've known Ashley since, oh my god, it's blurry. Why is it blurry?
What did you do?
I've known Ashley since we were 6. And the fact that I'm about to be 26, it's been 20 years. Isn't that insane? That's crazy. That's insane. So, 20 years, girl. So I'm happy to be celebrating with her in Brazil, together, in unison. We've been having fun. Huh? Yeah. The restaurant's about to close, but
that is true.
But that's just my spiel on things. And yeah, we've been having a great time. We're having a good time right now. We're having a key. We're having a key. But yes. So cheers to me. It's empty. She cheers in an empty glass. Yo. I don't know. I like Brazil. It's really cute. Yeah. This is a good idea. Yeah, I would definitely recommend. It's very chill. Obviously, be careful because they tell you to be careful when you come here. But other than that, like it's beautiful here. The food is amazing. Karen wants a churro. She won't let that shit go.
I would never stop talking about that churro.
But there's churros across the street from our hotel, so we're gonna get her freaking churro. I want one too, actually, so I'm not opposed to it. And tomorrow we have such an exciting day. We are going hang gliding. Do I want to go hang gliding? Not at all. Not at all. But Karen wants to go hang gliding, so we're going hang gliding. I'm gonna give you guys like an overview of Brazil like when I get home, because there are certain things you just need to be prepared for.
Brazil's not a real place.
Like you need to be prepared for these things. And if you think you is a baddie in the States, baby, you haven't been outside the country. Because I feel like I am. They keep calling me Beyonce. When do I ever look like Beyonce? Never.
Happy birthday, Tiara!
No way!
Happy birthday!
No way, no way, I don't believe it.
Have a good day, good night.
No way! I don't believe it. I'm American.
Yeah, I'm American.
Adios.
You could never. Anyways, they're gone. But we literally went outside because there's a DJ outside and we were dancing. They literally followed us out there. Followed us out there to go dance with us. I kept my distance, but we're just vibing. Truly, we are. It's all you can do when you're on vacation. When you're out of the States, out of the country, you vibe because you don't know anybody here. You're never gonna see them again. So have fun. Ball. So yeah, it's currently 11:13. Kira's birthday is in less than 50 minutes. We have an adventurous day tomorrow. I will be vlogging, obviously. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I am. I'll see you guys probably when I get back to the hotel. I love my hair, y'all. I thought I was going to hate it because I've never done this before. I love it. Like I do. But yeah. Bom dia, which is good morning in Portuguese. Last night I don't think I saw you guys after dinner. But it's the next day. It's bright and early. We're going hang gliding today. Currently just trying to get a bite to eat. I don't want to eat too heavy just in case I have a panic attack. So we're at this little breakfast spot and I'm getting a croissant.
Hola.
Hola.
Sería croissant.
Solo croissant.
Só croissant. Só croissant.
No, I don't want this filling.
No, só puro. Normal,
Yeah.
sem nada.
Yeah, sem nada.
Vai ser dois?
Sim.
É cappuccino?
No.
Só? Suco da laranja?
No.
Maracujá?
Orange?
Suco da laranja?
Orange juice?
É dois? Dois sucos?
Sim. We speak Spanish over here, y'all. A little bit of Portuguese at this point.
Obrigado.
Obrigado. Yeah. I believe they record you when you're hang gliding, so I'll get that footage to put in the vlog because I will not be doing that. I'll be screaming probably. And then later on, we have some other things planned, but I'll take you guys with me. So yeah, just wanted to say good morning. This is our view. It's a beautiful morning. Like gorgeous.
And then they have like a marathon going on here or something because they blocked off the other side of the road and people are running. I don't know if it's an official marathon, but that's what it looked like. This is what we're doing today, guys. Kiara is fucking crazy. Off the mountain, literally.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait.
Now relax and enjoy your flight.
Not only when you're lonely, yeah. You see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me, yeah. You see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my little ways can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby, and tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you, so just split you in half with my heart. I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part. Tell me, now you playing, truth or dare? Are you playing, truth or dare? Tell me, now you playing, truth or dare? Are you playing? So let's play truth or dare, dare to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you playing, truth or dare? Are you playing, truth or dare? Tell me, now you playing, truth or dare? Are you playing, truth or dare? Tell me.
It's your boy Easy. Yeah.
Who the fuck is a Z?
Are you ready?
Making love and loud, skip the so fast, like summer. Who sacrifice them to the I'm with the goons and the girls in the back down, Hummer.
your windows down and holler. Was there something you wore that caught me, baby? Presence, style, and aura. Then I get your name as a lady. Whatever you want, just name it. Girl, let's be honest. It means I would to spend round on you. To spend all on you. 100 niggas on you.
Some days I'm feeling jolly, some days I'm feeling gloomy, some days I'm feeling like I don't want you with anybody. What I'm saying is not funny, real life shit what they feeling. Sometimes I pick my key and drive around, they think I'm cruising. D&D no disturbance, taking you in to feel normal. Losing my mind with the G-face, I wanna replace when I feel pain. Life is a race, keep it running. Face my face, keep it solid. Allah Akbar, put my makeup on my head, I feel so grateful. Oh, oh, oh. Algún día me siento que no quiero relajarme con nadie. What I'm saying is not funny. Te daré aquí sentimiento. A veces tú me llamas y por ahí yo conduzco. Y dicen un lesbians. Venga en que me siento normal. Me vuelvo loco con la cara alta sin reflejo en el dolor. Life is a race, keep it running. Face my face, keep it solid. Allah Akbar, my makeup on my head, I feel so grateful. Oh, oh, oh.